like I cleared my misfires so far. Still got a light, but I think I might have to clear it out. I clear that out before it'll disappear. So, I don't know if fuel ratio went up. Let's see. So, but I was having misfires on 3 and 4. So what I did is I swapped the wires of, well, first of all, I swapped the ignition coils for cylinders 2 and 4. That didn't fix it. Then I swapped the wires and spark plugs for 1 and 2, should be 1 and 3, and then 2 and 4. And so what I found was on spark plug wire number 4, it was actually burned. So, or just cracked and burned. And so it looked like the spark was coming out and hitting the, possibly the exhaust manifold. So, but right now it looks like it's fixed. So I'll erase the code, restart, and see what we got. My DTC, so my light is out. I still gotta go put some electrical tape on the spark plug wire, covered it up. So I think I'm gonna go buy some more spark plug wires. Feel too bad, but number 3 and 4 is not counting. And I'm hoping that it actually shows the other ones, or unless that's just the only 2 it shows. on my long-term fuel trim is up to around 14. Okay. So they're more interesting now. Well, I understand if I had a vacuum leak, these would be, or one or two of them would be up to like 10, and then it would start counting backwards, or counting down, -10, -9, stuff like that. So yeah, it looks like it's chilling out, and hopefully it'll mellow out. It'll be good. Also, I did change I cleaned my K&N filter too, so hopefully that'll make a difference as well. But as of right now, looks like we're good to go. And this thing is calming down still, going to 0. So it looks like I don't have like a vacuum leak anywhere at this point. So I think this is around more the normal range right here for your long-term trim. If you understand, if you have an air leak or something like that, or some issue, these would adjust, and then if it takes a long time, or if it stays there, eventually it'll move into the long-term thing. So, but at this point, this looks good. I'm using the Innova 5610, and this thing actually is pretty cool. It doesn't have like all the functionality of one of the major, I guess, units, but this thing looks like it's got a lot of functionality. So, but actually, I'm liking it more and more. You know, plus you can do all your resets and stuff like that. But this thing actually will tell you if you're having a misfire, which is pretty cool. So at least on my car, I imagine if your car has like OBD2, and it's got the enhanced features that'll actually pull it up. So, but I'm liking it, and it helped me fix this issue. So they pointed to a misfire on number 4. I actually found a bad wire on number 4, and it showed a misfire on number 3 too, as well. But I swapped the ones with for 3, and I didn't see anything wrong with the spark plug or the wire. So hopefully just removing and replacing and swapping it with the number 2 just kind of reset it, or reseated it. But as of right now, we're good to go, looks like, and I'm going to get some more spark plug wires. Y'all take care. I hope this helps.